Series, we're going to be looking at WordPress, a content management system or CMS that we use at Simpsons Creative to build all of our websites. We'll be looking at what WordPress is and why it's useful, as well as logging in and managing the content. In this video we're looking at an introduction. So WordPress is a content management system, also known as a CMS. This lets you log into the website directly and manage the content within it, allowing you to add, edit and remove content as needed. This is particularly useful for things like blogs and news sections, but means that you can also manage the content of the standard pages as well. To log into the CMS, what you need to do is load up the homepage of your website, and you can see here we've got the main Simpsons Creative website loaded, and then just tag onto the end of the URL /wp-admin and press enter. This will load up the login screen. We need to select the passwords. You'll have these in an email from us. If you're not sure, let us know and we can sort you out with new logins, and then you can press login. This will take you through to the dashboard of WordPress, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on the little house symbol here at the top left, and this will take us back to the front end of the website. But as you can see, we now have this black admin bar across the top, and if I press the dashboard icon again here, it'll jump us back to the admin area, and this lets you toggle between the two quickly and easily. The logins for WordPress will give them full control over the website, so it's really important these are kept safe and secure. Each website is different, not just with different WordPress versions, but also in how they've been built and designed. That means there will be some variations between them, but this guide hopes to give you a base understanding that will mean that you've got more freedom to update the content of the website yourself. On some websites, some areas are editable where some aren't. Typically, if we go back to the live view, typically the header section here with the menu and the contact details and the footer section towards the bottom tend not to be editable by the user. This is because these details are normally set and then forget almost, and it's unlikely you'll change your phone number and things. If you find there's a section like this that you can't edit, you'll need to let us know and we can update it for you. WordPress is regularly updated with security patches and new features, and at Simpsons we update all of our WordPress websites to the latest versions to ensure that the websites are safe and secure. We do this check several times a week, so you may find if you come back to your website after a few weeks of not using it that some things are slightly different, but the core of WordPress tends to remain fairly standard, so once you get to grips with it you should be okay. You can always come back to this video series if you need to catch up on how to edit any of the areas of your website.